And once in a while, take the time. If you own an Xbox or any other console, PS3, Wii, whatever, take the time to clean it once in a while. Look at this. I had this console for about 2 years, 2.5 years. I had never opened it before. Look how dirty it is. This is not good. It's pretty dirty. Look at this. It's not just there, but look at this. Full of dirt. Dirty, dirty, dirty. Well, today I'm taking the time to clean it and also to switch the RF module right here, because it doesn't work. I'm switching it with a brand new one that I just got. Took it out of the other Xbox right there. But yeah, man, clean your Xbox once in a while. Take the time, open them. Make sure you leave them. Just basically to clean it, buy yourself one of these cans of compressed air or cat duster or something like this, or if you have a air compressor you have that you can use, something like that. You can see already sprayed it a little bit. It looks better than how it did. So the next thing is I'm going to take the filter, this thing right here. Take the hard drive, well, everything, and spray it once again, make sure everything's clean. Be right back. So now I remove everything. As you can see, it's still dirty here. And look at the fan. Pretty dirty. I recommend you doing this outside. I know it's like 2 in the morning. But I'm inside doing this. I ain't got nothing to do. But like I said, the air thingy, make sure you do it outside though. Because it's dirty. And you simply, one blow, get everything. I'll take those out of there. Make sure I spray them underneath. You can see the difference. Clean. So next thing is I'm taking this off to clean them. Okay, you see those? I was telling you guys. I took it off. Look how dirty it is. Now you can see here. It's dirty. Dirty, dirty, dirty. So just grab your can, one of those, 1, 2, and then take it off. Make sure you clean it good. And then do the same thing to this. Spray the shit out of it, make sure this shit gets off. Well, make sure you just get air going. It's not working pretty good, so I'm going to do something else, make sure I get it off. So you could grab yourself a toothbrush, old toothbrush, whatever, new one. And just basically scrub them. Get them clean. You can see the difference, nowhere dirtier than this. Just basically grab your thing and just kind of, brush it around and stuff. Get all that shit out of there. And like I said, do it outside, because if your console is dirty, like my shit was, you're gonna be messing your room. And then I'm gonna take the brush and do it all the way around, like that shit out of there. And like I said, I'm changing this thing because my shit broke. So yeah. Okay, man, I got it all cleaned up. Oh my god, I didn't even want to show you guys right now. I got it all cleaned up. I put it back. Then look, I'm missing this freaking thing. What an idiot. But yeah, like, I'm gonna have to take it back apart and put it back. Not a big deal though. Then also, in another video, I want to show you guys how to get 40% discount on your membership for the Xbox Live. Actually, well, yesterday, July 1st, I had to do, that was my renewal. But then I'll leave the rest for the next video to tell you guys how I did it. It worked for you guys too. So I'll be right back. Alright, so I just got it back to the way it's supposed to go. Now next thing, I'm changing the switch right here. So this thing only has 3 screws. There's 1, 2, and then there's 1 on the. So just basically go ahead and. It's kind of hard to do this by myself. But just basically right here. And be careful with these screws. These screws are small. They're tiny screws. Like, I know you can see them, but they're little. See how little they are? Like I said, there's 3 screws here. Here's the second one. Then for this one, just a little screwdriver, flathead, and just kind of push these things up. You know? Just put them underneath and pull it up. And they should go, oh man. See, and they come up. And you see the third one I was telling you about?
They just didn't know. They couldn't visualize. They had no idea.
The third one right there. I'll be back once I change it. Once I put the other one, and then I'm gonna go try it out, make sure it was synced properly. So I'll be right back. Alright, so as you can see, I got it to work. It's working now. Let's start with my control over here. The thing is working. Let me sign in. I don't have the thingy, but yeah, I mean it's working. Again, the wireless controller, which is good. So now, put everything back together. It should be fun. Okay, so I got it back together. Everything back together. Back to normal. And if you guys found this video helpful as far as cleaning your Xbox and, you know, switching the module thingy, the RF module, I would appreciate it if you like the video. You know, comment whatever you got any questions. Subscribe. I would really appreciate that. I mean, there's more videos like this on the way. And like I said, if you find this helpful, like it, favorite, subscribe. Appreciate it. Thank you very much.